pray to the God Almighty to bless us, to guide us, to keep us safe, to give us peace and love. As dawn breaks into a beautiful sunrise, may God shower upon us blessings of love and lead us always to the right path. With these beautiful words, I, Amrit Kaur of class 12C, is wishing you all a very pleasant morning. God is unable to come to teach all the people, so He created the teachers to teach us. Today, we are celebrating Teachers' Day to salute our teachers for their utmost dedication and support that they give to shape the bright future of their students. Let's begin this program by wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Now, I would like to call our respected Principal Sir for lighting the candle.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Casey Ma'am for the Bible reading. Join your hands and close your eyes.
Good morning, everyone. I've taken out two passages from the Holy Bible, one from Titus chapter 2 verses 7 and 8. In all things you yourself must be an example of good behavior. Be sincere and serious in your teaching. Use sound words that cannot be criticized, so that your enemy may be put to shame by not having anything bad to say about us. I will read now from the book of Proverbs, chapter 22, verse 6. Teach a child how he should live, and he will remember it all his life. This is the word of God. Thanks be to God.
Today is Teachers' Day, which is marked to commemorate the birth anniversary of our former President S. Radhakrishnan, a well-known scholar, philosopher and a teacher. To describe the qualities of a true teacher, I would like to call Aditi Gupta from class 9th.
A very good morning to respected Principal Sir, teachers, dear parents and my friends. I am Aditi Gupta from class 9A. On this special occasion of Teachers' Day and on behalf of all the students, here I want to present a short speech to acknowledge, honor and thank the amazing work done by our teachers. As you all know, India celebrates Teachers' Day on September 5th, the birth anniversary of the second President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was an excellent teacher who believes that teachers should be the best mind in the country. In India, we are celebrating Teachers' Day since 1962 and honor this great leader who inspired millions. Teachers are an important part of a student's life. No student becomes a great student without the help of his teacher. The teacher endow his knowledge, believe in us and make us pursue our dreams. We never thank the teacher enough the way we should. We never realize the importance of teachers in our lives. Teachers make us what we are. Just imagine for a moment what would happen to our lives if we do not have teachers we today have. All the teachers who have guided us with patience right from the start. Right from the beginning, the teachers are very important in our lives. And simply we cannot imagine our lives without you. In this COVID-19 pandemic, we students are not able to celebrate this occasion at school before our teachers. But still I am grateful that they have been prepared me so well that I am able to deliver this short speech through this video. A big thank you to all the teachers for teaching us. We promise to make you proud someday. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Aditi, for such a nice speech. Now, I would like to call Sukirti from class 12th to add a charm to this program by performing a dance. Thank you, Sukirti, for such an amazing performance. I would now like to invite Divya Akela of class 6 to express gratitude to all our teachers by speaking few strokes in Sanskrit.
सर्वेभ्यो नमो नमः। मम नाम अकेला दिव्या अस्ति। अहं नवमी कक्षां पठामि। अद्य अहं शिक्षक दिवसस्य सन्दर्भे श्लोकः वदामि। गुरुं वन्दे मातृरूपं, गुरुं वन्दे पितृरूपं, गुरुं वन्दे करुणामयं, गुरुं वन्दे सुज्ञानमयं, गुरुं वन्दे सिद्धिप्रदं, गुरुं वन्दे बुद्धिप्रदं, गुरुं वन्दे विमलमतिं, गुरुं वन्दे अमरकृतिम्। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। अर्थात जिसने ज्ञान के अंजन रूपी शलाका से अज्ञान रूपी अंधकार से अंधे हुए लोगों की आंखें खोली, उन गुरु श्रेष्ठ को नमस्कार है। गुकारस्त्वन्धकारस्तु ऋकारस्तेज उच्यते, अंधकार निरोधत्वात् गुरुरित्यभिधीयते। अर्थात गुरु शब्द में गु अर्थात अंधकार तथा रु अर्थात तेज, अतः जो ज्ञान रूपी प्रकाश से अंधकार का निरोध करता है वही गुरु कहा जाता है। एकम अप्यक्षरम यस्तु गुरुः शिष्ये निवेदयेत्, पृथिव्यां नास्ति तद्द्रव्यं यद्दत्त्वा हि अरिणि भवेत्। अर्थात गुरु के द्वारा शिष्य को ज्ञान रूप में दिए गए एक एक अक्षर के बदले पृथ्वी पर ऐसा कोई भी द्रव्य नहीं है जिसे देकर गुरु के ऋण से शिष्य मुक्त हो सके।
Thanks Divya for speaking such mesmerizing sloks. Now I would like to invite Ashin Vishwakarma from class 6 to rock on the stage with her performance. Please give a huge round of applause for her.
गुरुदेव गुरुदेव तेरे चरण गुरुदेव गुरुदेव तेरे चरण में तन मन समर्पित रहे सदा। गुरुदेव गुरुदेव तेरे चरण में तन मन समर्पित रहे सदा। तेरी कृपा से श्रद्धा के फूल, तेरी कृपा से श्रद्धा के फूल क्षण क्षण प्रफुल्लित रहे सदा। गुरुदेव गुरुदेव तेरे चरण में तन मन समर्पित रहे सदा।
Thanks Ashin for such a lovely performance. Now it's time for a thing that makes all of us excited. It's none other than slide presentation for our teachers by the students. So let's give a huge round of applause before watching this slide. It was indeed a heart-touching slide. I hope all the teachers loved it. Now I would like to call Anvesha Tiwari from class 6A to speak few words on this auspicious occasion.
Good morning, respected principal sir and teachers. Myself Anvesha Tiwari from 6th. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I will give a short speech on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher and the first Vice President of India and the second President of India. He was born in a village called Tirutani in Tamil Nadu. This day gives an opportunity to pay respect to our teachers. I want to thank my teachers for their support and guidance. I have made this sketch of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and this card for my teachers and principal sir. So, this was my short speech on Teachers' Day. Thank you, and once again, Happy Teachers' Day.
Thanks Anvesha for your kind words. Now I would like to invite Atrish Bhanot to add some grace to the program by speaking few words.
Respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. Today on the special occasion of Teachers' Day, we are here to celebrate and pay a hearty tribute to our very dear teachers who tirelessly work to ensure that they provide the best education to their students, as we are the nation's future. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year with lots of joy, happiness and enthusiasm. Today is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great scholar and teacher. He was also the second president of our country. Students across the country observe this day as Teachers' Day to pay respect to their teachers who play a big role in building the character of students and are undeniable backbone of the society. It would not be wrong to say that teachers are equal to our parents. They teach us as selflessly and treat as their own children. Parents give birth to a child while teachers shape the personality of their child and constantly try to help a child evolve into a good human being. So as students, we should always respect and love them. Teachers are the source of inspiration. They motivate us, nourish our young minds with knowledge, give us the strength and prepare us to face the obstacles in life. Teachers are therefore a blessing for us in many ways. Let's stress today to always respect our teachers, obey them and follow their advice to be worthy citizens. On this day, I want to thank all my teachers for being there whenever I needed them. A big thanks to all my teachers. Thank you.
Thanks, Atrich, for your kind words. It's time for another breathtaking dance performance by Akshat, Harsh and Neeraj. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. Thanks for such a great performance. We loved it. Songs add up a lot of charm to the program. I would like to call Shruti Pandey from class 12 to sing a song in her mesmerizing voice.
Hello, I am Shreya Pandey from class 12C. I am dedicating this song to all my teachers and Happy Teachers Day. किसे पूछूं ऐसा क्यों बेनिशा सा ये जहां है खुशी के पल कहाँ ढूंढूं बेनिशा सा वक्त भी यहाँ है जाने कितने लबों पे गिले हैं जिंदगी से कई फासले हैं बस जीते हैं सपने के आँखों में लकीरें जब छूटे हाथों से हुए बजा जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई लौट के सदा जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई लौट के सदा सांसों ने कहाँ रुख मोड़ लिया कोई राह नजर में न आए धड़कन ने कहाँ दिल तोड़ दिया नहीं छोड़े न जिस्मों में साए यही बार बार सोचता हूँ तन्हा मैं मेरे साथ साथ चल रहा है यादों का धुआं जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा
Thank you so much for singing so gracefully. Now let's move towards the end of the program. So last but not the least, I now request Honorable Principal Sir to deliver the vote of thanks.
First of all, I would like to thank God for this beautiful school and this calling which God has assigned me. On behalf of our chairman, the Most Reverend Dr. P.C. Singh, our manager and the First Lady of our diocese, Mrs. Nora Singh, the management, parents and the students of our Barsley family, I would like to take up this golden opportunity to wish each and every teacher of Barsley Unit 1 and Unit 2 a very happy Teachers' Day. Dear teachers, we congratulate you all for the efficient and outstanding service you are providing to our students through your online classes and guidance. We are aware that you have left no stone unturned to connect and communicate with your students even in this crucial time when the entire world is struggling to fight against COVID-19, which has adversely affected our lives. The entire Barsley family applauds your hard work, zeal and dedication. We hope that you will continue to honor us with your able leadership, knowledge, wisdom and guidance. I also want to congratulate you and the students and their parents for all their support, cooperation and understanding in this time of adversity. Dear children, you all have shown remarkable patience, consistency and cooperation. Do keep it up. We are all aware that we celebrate 5th September as the Teachers' Day in India to commemorate the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President and the second President of independent India, who was an educationist, a philosopher, an academician, and above all, a great teacher. He had said that teachers should be the best minds in the country. So dear teachers, let us be thankful for the privilege of being entrusted with the opportunity to serve the nation with our knowledge and experience. My dear teachers and students, as quoted by the Nobel Prize winner Malala Yousafzai, one child, one teacher, one book and one pen can change the world. Never underestimate the power you possess within. You have great possibilities within you and are bestowed upon with amazing talents which are just unique to you. Recognize them and use them for your own growth and for the betterment of the world on the whole. Always believe in yourself and listen to your inner voice. Your inner voice will always guide you in difficult times. Remember, greatness is not measured by money or stature. It is measured by courage and heart. Have a heart filled with love and compassion for your fellow beings, and develop the courage to stand with the truth and the virtues, and you will find yourself in utmost peace and harmony with nature. My dear friends, how others see you is not important. How you see yourself means everything. Your attitude means everything. This doesn't mean that you do what you wish or neglect the valuable advice of your friends, parents, colleagues or well-wishers. It means that you should always carry a positive attitude with you and never get disheartened even if someone finds faults with you or tries to bring you down. Have confidence in the divine wisdom and work to uplift the morale of the others too. Friends, we keep learning from each other. This means each and every one of us is a teacher in one way or the other. And do keep in mind that the responsibility of a teacher is beyond words. Teaching is a 24/7 hour job, and there are people out there in our vicinity who are observing us and learning from us. So let's be aware of this great responsibility which we have and stay true to the assignment entrusted to us. And so, my dear colleagues, as we have chosen this noble profession, our responsibility increases all the more. Let us take teaching as the divine calling and be honest and true in our endeavors. As quoted by Ever Garrison, a teacher is a compass that activates the magnets of curiosity, knowledge and wisdom in the pupils. Do keep honoring your students and the society with your noble teachings and principles. Keep guiding them and help them to overcome all the challenges and obstacles they face through your knowledge and wisdom. We hope and pray that the entire world comes out from this difficult corona time as a winner and life gets back to normal soon. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day again, and thank you all for your wonderful support and cooperation. All the best for your future. Stay safe. Take care. God bless. Thank you.